Today, during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about Greek roots and how those root words help you determine definitions of English words. During your practice today, you are going to be completing a word sort. Look at the words, say the words, move the words to the correct word root column by dragging the word to the correct space, move all of the words to the correct column. So our word roots are arc, which means chief or ruler, astro or aster, which means star, gram, which means letter or right, and therm, which means heat. So we are going to look at the words in blue and move them to the correct word root column. If we look at the word monarch, A-R-C-H, monarch means chief or ruler, so we are going to move that word into this column. If I look at the word grammar, G-R-A-M, it's going to go into the letter or right column. You are going to do that for all of the words and submit on Schoology when complete.